Doggy doggy. Hello. Shit. Trying to open this. Yeah. Good. Yummy. Sabay. Where's your friend? Where's the other dog? Okay, last one. Wala na. Next time. Where's the other dog? Weird. Ito, sira na to. That's broken. I think the city came here. Fix this. Ito, in-spray nila kaya kulay green. They sprayed it with a chemical for the grass. Oh, luma na din, no? Ito plano naming bakbakin. So, we're gonna tear that up and throw it away. Yeah, they already threw most of it here. Ito, pag nalinis yan, ito, tatapon natin ang grill. Hindi na kasi maganda. It's okay. It's not really hard. We're gonna throw that away. Ito yung ano yun. I think that's for the natural gas. Super Cao Nguyen again. Just got done buying some stuff. Everybody's wearing a mask right now. Huh. Oh well, better safe than sorry, I guess. But yeah, I bought some stuff. I bought this. I was gonna buy Corona beer, but I'm just joking. See, about a beer. I just want to try it, see how strong it is. Doesn't really say how many percentage it is though. That's weird. See, I don't see the percent, man. What the hell? Normally you'll say how much percent the beer is. I don't see it. Oh shit. Hope it's not strong though. I'm gonna get knocked out. It says premium black beer. Like, damn. That sounds like it's gonna kill me. Oh well, rest in peace, my liver. Hope it doesn't fuck my liver up. Okay, this is tocino. I got tocino, and then I got longanisa. I was trying to find the tofu, and then I got me a corn. See, corn. Frozen and cooked sweet corn. I don't know if it's already cooked. You could probably recook it again. So yeah, I was trying to find the tofu, the soy. I don't know how, what, tofu, you know, yeah, I mean, you know, tofu. What is that in, I forget, nalimutan ko yung Tagalog word ng tofu. But you know what I mean. I have to show my ID for this one though. Yeah, this one, they asked me for my ID. Because you have to be 18 and older to drink. No wait, is it 21 or, I forgot. I think it's 21 or older to drink. You have to be 21 years old to drink alcohol. So, and I just got my ID, you know, renewed my license. So, okay, let's go home.